Hey guys, what's up? How's going on? This is Mohib and once again welcome my video tutorial series, and today I wanna show you a little bit interesting things. What's I'm going to talk about this video section or a video this video series. Let's see. I think you showing my see my screen a little bit. Talk about the project. This is a simple HTML project where we're gonna talk about the project architecture, project thinking, wireframing, and this is the core feature, the fundamental things is coding, designing, and deployment. Okay, okay. When we complete our lecture session, little bit theoretical part, then we will jump to the project part. Okay, first talk about the HTML. This is the HTML based project. That's so. Oh, you should know about the HTML. Like what is HTML? Why we should use the HTML? How we can learn HTML as much as quickly and efficient way. And number 4, how we can use HTML. Okay, let's go to the theoretical section. I will recommend you for this learning period. You should follow this website. This is the w3schools.com. When you click, just see w3schools.com. When you first time visit the website, then you can see this welcome or home page look like this, and this is a lot of things in here: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL. Lot of things are available in here, and today we will talk about specifically HTML, about the HTML. Okay, let's go to the learning section.